The iOS 26 is finally here for the older generations of iPhones, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update your iPhone to the latest iOS 26.0 to have the best and the latest iOS features on your device. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi, because the iOS 26 software package is going to be huge in size. Depending on which iPhone model you got, it will be anywhere from 7 GB to 15 GB easily. So the very first thing you have to do is go to the settings. After that, tap on General. Here you will find an option called Software Update. Just tap on it and it will start checking whether the iOS 26 is available on your iPhone or not. And as you can see, the iOS 26 is available for my iPhones. So for iPhone 16, it is 13.46 GB in size. If you want to know what are the new features this particular software update is going to bring to your device, then you can have a look at the changelog. After that, all you have to do is tap on the Update Now button. After that, tap on Agree. Tap on Agree again. As you can see, the update is requested and downloading of the software package is initiated. Based on the size of the package and the internet speed, it might take some time in downloading it on your device. Once the downloading of the software package is completed, you will get this pop-up that you can either install the iOS 26 right now or you can schedule it to be installed later. And if you do not do anything, then a counter timer will go on the screen and it will start the installation of the software package straight away. During this process, your device will reboot, and once the rebooting process is completed, the iOS 26 will be installed on your device. So now the rebooting is completed. Just swipe up on this screen. You will have to enter your lock screen PIN. After that, you can see that the device is updated to the iOS 26. Just tap on Continue. Then on the next screen, it will ask you to give the permission to share the iPhone analytics. Don't share or share, it's totally up to you. You can set up the series straight away or you can set up later. And then on the next screen, tap on Get Started and you will reach at the home screen of your iPhone with the iOS 26 installed on it. So this is how you can install the iOS 26 on any of your iPhone you are using to have the latest and the best iOS features on your device. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.